Let's access your OFX Global Currency Account. This account lets you open local currency accounts in several currencies, so you can send and receive funds like a local. Log in with your OFX username and password. From your home screen, click the link in the top right corner and you'll land in your Global Currency Account dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your local currency accounts. These accounts are unique to you, and you can add your own nicknames to keep track. To start receiving funds to an account, click the document icon and copy your details. Then, upload them to marketplaces, payment gateways, or invoices associated with that currency. Once your money starts rolling in, you can choose to hold funds or make payments and transfers directly from your dashboard. Start transferring now, and we'll deliver your funds quickly, securely, and at great rates. For help with this or anything else, contact an OFXpert day or night 24/7.